To ensure better operation and prevent the rear wheels from being locked during movement, the clutch gears need to be checked and lubricated every half year after operation. Always remove the battery packs when servicing or transporting the mower. The following tools not included. To remove the clutch gear, turn the mower on its side. Use a 1/2 inch wrench to loosen the bolt counterclockwise. Remove the bolt, the rear wheel assembly and the wave washer from the wheel axle. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the screw and remove the protective cover. Use a flat screwdriver to pry off the clamping spring and remove the clutch gear from the self-propelled motor shaft. Then remove the pin from the pinhole. Remove the dust seal. Remove any buildup of dust and grease on the pinhole and in the inner cavity of clutch gear. Clean the clutch gear, the pin and pinhole. Check the rear wheel gear and felt ring for any damage before placing the rear wheel assembly back onto the wheel axle. Apply grease about 3 to 4 grams into the inner cavity of clutch gear and on the pin. The grease should meet the following requirements: NLGI grade penetration, NLGI 2 thickener type, ester, recommended operating temperature range, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 266 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius. Other than above, the grease should also have excellent low temperature startup, extreme pressure performance, resistance to mechanical shear, abrasion resistance and oxidative stability. To install the clutch gear, place back the dust seal. Insert the pin into the pinhole and mount the clutch gear onto the self-propelled motor shaft. Pay more attention to the mark on the clutch gear L, R to avoid wrong installation. Install the clamping spring onto the shaft in place, with needle nose pliers if needed. Install the protective cover and secure in place with the screw. Mount the wave washer on the wheel axle. Tighten the wheel assembly with the bolt clockwise. Rotate the rear wheel to check if lock issue is solved. Repeat the process to lubricate the clutch gear on the other side.